Okay, so we are on, and this is the second meeting of Sahodaya. It's been formed and it's been sent for registration also. So congratulations to all of us. Are we waiting for some people or should we start?
I think we can start.
Okay then, a very warm welcome to all of you. And I'm so happy that finally Sahodaya has taken off and we have filled in the form and submitted it. We've created some sort of website also because that was mandatory to fill in the form. And now it is, the ball is in their court. They will verify it and send it back to us. So meanwhile, I'll leave it to Deepika to give you all the details because she's done all the hard work for it. And now the office bearers are also, last time we elected the office bearers, so they are also there. And let's see how it goes now from here, and we'll just discuss what's to be done next. So Deepika, just give them the details about our, submitting the form.
Yes, I think Mrs. Duper is trying to join in. Hello? Of course, like ma'am mentioned, has already been done. So it asked us for various details, out of which one of the details was to mention the website of the Sahodaya. So we created a website address and we uploaded it and sent it to CBSC. And we have also created an email account through which we will also be communicating. So I suppose the secretary will be taking over that job. And as far as the rest, membership, etc. is concerned, I think ma'am will discuss with you. But as far as now is concerned, the form is filled, submitted, and we are waiting for them to verify and confirm so that we are a registered Sahodaya.
Okay, now March is, pretty busy for all of us, and so is April for that matter. But I'm sure the verification will come in. There's nothing really lacking in the form that was filled in. Now, the second step is, with the treasurer. So, APS, we would like you to open an account for Sahodaya and give us the account number and the details so that we can give our contributions there. We could probably either give a check or online transfers. So once you open the account, I think give a mandatory some last date so that it just doesn't keep lingering on, and so that everybody puts in all that money. So the first expenditure has taken place for starting a website. So and then I think opening a bank account, whatever expenditures are, whatever little expenditures are, please keep forwarding to the treasurer so that it can be paid from that account. So now anything else, Mrs. Duper, I think had very graciously offered to build the website. So what we have created is just a skeleton thing because it had to be done. Now let's develop a good website for Sahodaya. When it goes on Google, I think it should look attractive. I was very impressed with the Jammu one, so let's do something which is equally good, if not better. And Mrs. Duper, I noticed on the Telegram group, she has somebody very good doing her computer work. So that's why I had requested her to take on the responsibility for making the website. So she said she'd let me know. Is she there?
She's here. She's here in the meeting.
Yeah. Mrs. Duper? Mrs. Duper, could you unmute yourself? Deepika, just check.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can now. Loud and clear.
Ma'am, I am doing it. I'll be getting back to you in a few days. I'm looking over it. Yeah. I'm trying to plan out something good.
Oh, that's very nice. So yeah. So we've got the logo and we've got the website.
And by the way, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Mrs. Rana.
Thank you.
because you got I read about in the Facebook about that your school being nominated as one of the best schools in India. Congratulations.
Thank you so
And
much.
keeping that in mind, I'm looking out for something very good. It is
Yeah,
something,
our Sahodaya
something
must look very, very
better than
attractive.
Jannat.
Yeah, it must look very attractive.
Yeah.
Must look very nice. So,
Yeah.
I'm sure she'll do a wonderful job. Like, I really love the logo. I love the logo of Sahodaya. So,
Okay.
yeah, similarly, we'll have a good
Okay.
website. And,
Sure, I'll try my level best and get up with something very good for you.
thank you so much. And APS, Ms. Shashikala, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, could you just convey it to your school to open a bank account as early as possible so that we can get on with things?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In fact, I interacted with Deepika, ma'am, in the morning itself.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we would like to know how many schools have registered so that we start collecting the membership amount also. And we open our account and we'll forward the account number as soon as we open the account in the group itself, ma'am.
That's wonderful. Deepika, can you give them the details about the
Yeah.
Google form? Yeah.
Yeah, so right after this meeting, we will be forwarding a Google form on the WhatsApp group. The Google form has 3 sections. The first section has the details of the school's principal who's going to be a part of the Sahodaya. The second part has the coordinator's details. And the third part will be where you will put the name of the bank, the Drawee Bank, and the number of the check. That will, of course, Mrs. Shashikala, you'll have to tell us whom the check has to be, in what name the check has to be. So that you'll have to share on the group. But anyhow, till then, we will forward the Google form. So I request every single principal to please go through that, or the coordinator, and fill up the form so that we have a response sheet and we have all the details in one single place. Now, once we have that, we will be sharing those details with the president, the secretary, and the treasurer, because I'm sure, and of course, Mrs. Dupar, because I think you will require those details. The other thing is that since we did start off with the website, Mrs. Dupar, if you want to use the same, we can share the credentials with you for that as well. And we will also be sharing the user ID and password of the email account with the treasurer as well as the secretary, in case you would require any kind of communication to be done with the schools. So,
Sure,
so that
ma'am.
will-
And we'll let you know the required information tomorrow in the group itself.
Right. Right. So
Okay, thank you.
once we have the response sheet, we will share it on the group so that you can then see how many schools are actually registering for this. Okay.
Deepika, I'll get back to you again and I'll take all the details. And then just very often I'll be calling and disturbing you so that you
Right.
can frame up everything and let me know. Huh?
Not a problem.
Thank you. Okay.
Now, now that Sahodaya is formed, let's work on it enthusiastically and make it really very vibrant. Because Sahodaya can be one of those organizations which does nothing. It's only in name, and it can be very, very vibrant also. So now that we are a group of schools and all of them are doing fantastically well, the leaders are all here. And all of you are very, very active in your respective fields. So let's make it really work. And it's not for anything else. It's for our own schools and our own children who can interact a lot with one another and probably improve. Overall, the main focus is on improving the level of achievement of children of Ahmednagar. Let's not think in terms of schools. Because if we can put Ahmednagar on the national map, people still ask, where is Ahmednagar? So if we can put it on the national map, I think we would have done our bit. So whatever ideas you have, they are most welcome. And we shall all work together and make them work. So anything else, any other points you have for Sahodaya? All of you have given your the competitions you'd like to hold. So we'll make out a list of it and put it up on the group. Anybody who's not given, please add to it so that one final list can be prepared. And in approximate time, the month in which you would like to hold it. We can't have, too many competitions in one particular month. So leave out the examination months, the annual day months, which is December. I hope it's the same for everybody. So December, March can be left out. We should have maximum competitions in, say, July, August. Those are those, easier months. July, August, September. Then October maybe, because we go for autumn break. November is also okay. December maybe not because of the holidays and examination period. And then probably one odd in January, and we leave out March altogether. So let's plan it so that we space them out. Okay, so we can do that on the group also. Today's meeting was a short meeting to get everybody together, and we are not going to miss this third Wednesday meeting, because whether we have something very, very important to discuss or not, it's just one meeting point. If we forego it for any reason, it will never come back. So we will carry on with this third Wednesday meeting every month, irrespective of whether we have an important thing to discuss or not. Just meeting is enough, even if it's for a short time. So anything else that anybody else would like to contribute, to ask, to say? Otherwise, we can close the meeting. Anybody else? Any inputs? Suggestions?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
This is Sunita.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Means, are we going to have trainings also through this complex?
I'm all for it. If you want, yes, why not? I mean, it's one of the forums where we could get together. And I'm of the firm view that, if we have something to contribute, rather than take it outside and we keep giving trainings, outside Ahmedabad, why not amongst us? And the teachers find it very convenient to attend. So I would love to have people train, my school teachers here, whatever your area of expertise is. So we should, yes, definitely. If you have any resource persons in your school or otherwise also, we have some non-COE trainings also. So we can do that. Anybody who is qualified in any field, I think you can put it up on the group, and whoever wants to attend. It's so convenient for the teachers to attend trainings in Nagar.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? I think Sahodaya and HOL have a little overlapping kind of roles. So one can be used for the other. It's not necessary that, we wait for HOL or Sahodaya. I think all our HOL members are a member of Sahodaya. We just have plus some more. Isn't it, Deepika?
Yes. Yeah, I think HOL is restricted to 5 or 6 schools. Here, there is no really limit to the number of schools you can have.
So, whatever we have, these 5 schools that are a part of HOL, whatever we have in Sahodaya can be translated to HOL also. So, we kill 2 birds with a stone.
Yes.
So trainings definitely can be, more people can take advantage of the trainings. So for us, HOL trainings will also happen, and plus others who are not a part of our HOL can take advantage also. So why not?
7 schools.
Yeah.
In fact, if there's any school that, holds trainings for their own teachers, if you just put a message on the WhatsApp group that you're having a particular training on a particular day, and if other schools want to send their teachers, and if it's convenient to them, they could probably go to the host school and attend those trainings as well. So that way, instead of making a Sahodaya training calendar, we could probably just share the trainings that we are going to host ourselves for our own teachers, which can be shared with the others.
That's a wonderful idea. Yeah, that's a wonderful idea because, as it is, like if I'm having a training in my school, I am holding it whether somebody comes or not. So it's good if others take advantage. So just put it on the group. This training happening in the school, anybody welcome to attend.
Yes, sure. We'll be doing.
Yeah. Anything else? Anybody wants to say something?
Anything,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
one more thing.
coming up next? Can we just have an idea? Like what is coming up next for this month, coming month?
We haven't decided very much now because we were waiting for this Sahodaya to be registered. And once it's verified, then let's talk on the group and see what we can do next. Otherwise, we can definitely hold a training or two.
Okay, great. We'll be planning, ma'am.
Yeah. So competitions,
And
I don't know if
also-
somebody wants to hold in April, but otherwise we'll definitely be holding some trainings. We'll let you know. And if anybody willing to attend, most welcome.
Ma'am, one small request.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it possible to conduct a virtual training or because as TO is conducting, because our place is very far away from Ahmednagar, so it would be convenient for us to attend this online trainings. So will that be possible?
Why not? Why not? Definitely, till this whole pandemic is there, we are in our full rights to conduct virtual trainings, and they're most convenient also. So why not? We'll
Yeah,
do
yeah.
it. Yeah, we'll do it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Anything else?
Are all the schools planning to start their session in the month of April? Any school that's not going to be starting in the month of April? So I take it as everybody starting in April, which means are all the schools planning to conduct the classes in the month of April online, or is it going to be some online and some offline?
I think till further instruction, we'll be doing some online, some offline, because 5th and 10th anyways, they have given the permission. Beyond that, like for nursery and 1st to 4th, we have to go as it is, till further instructions, I believe.
And reduced to 8 to 10 only again, 8 to 10, 12.
But
So,
have your
1
strength,
to till June at least it is not there.
has the strength dipped? Because for us, it has reduced drastically after these rising number of cases. So has it
Yes.
happened the same with you?
Yes, same here, ma'am. Yes.
Same. All the schools, same.
So, Nandita ma'am, anything from you?
Nothing, Deepika, listening very, very attentively. Thank you.
Right.
Okay, then
Right,
if you've
then-
finished.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll be forwarding the Google Forms. Please fill it in very carefully, especially the mail IDs and the phone numbers, because that is where we will be reaching out to you for anything at all. So thank you so much. It was great to see all of you here again. And let's hope to see you again before we close for the summer vacations in the month of April. Thank you.
Thank you
for joining.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Deepika. Thank you,
So
Mr. Rana. Thank you, everyone.
third Wednesday of April, we meet again.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.